Hey, Lineman here. Been a little while since I made a video, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to field strip Glock 19. I'm sure there's lots of videos out there on this, but like I said, it's been a while, so I'm gonna put mine out and see how it goes. So here we go. First thing we want to do, take the clip out, set it to the side. Then we want to rack our gun back, check down in here to make sure your clip's out. Put your finger in, make sure there's nothing in. We got a good clean gun here. We're going to put her back right. And one thing I wanted to tell you is a lot of times I've seen people go to strip these guns, and what they'll do is pull the slide back just a little and then pull the trigger and let it slide off. You know, I've had that slide come off with me before and it fell on the floor. So to me, that's just not the best way to do it. You know, the way I'd rather do it, point your gun in a safe direction, pull the trigger, take your slide, hold it back, put your release levers down, and just let it slide off where you can control it. So once we get to this point, what we're going to do is compress your recoil spring, pull it out of the way, set it to the side, and here on your barrel, you kind of want to push it, pick up, push it forward just a little bit, and then slide it right out. No problem. Set it to the side. When you get to this point here, you can do your cleaning, clean everything up, lube your slide with whatever lube or cleaner you like to use. And that's pretty much your basic field strip Glock 19. Pretty simple, but like I said, maybe some of you that's just got a new gun, this might give you a little bit of help on your first cleaning. So when we get to here, we're going to put it back together. With your barrel, you want to take it kind of at a little bit of an angle, slide it right through the hole here, set it down, and it'll slide right back and drops right into place. Then you'll take your recoil spring. Here you got a small end here, and you got your flat end here. And you can see in your slide you got a hole right here. Oops. This little small end fits right in there. And you want to decompress your spring and slide it right in there. Hooks right onto your barrel. When you get to that point, take your frame and slide, line it up here with these two notches, slide it right back on, latch it back, and there you go. They're pretty much a basic field strip of Glock 19. I appreciate you watching. Hope to see you soon.